Family threatens legal action after phone explodes and burns infant. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, Ministry of Education investigates circumstances which led to the death of a student.
Pressure mounts on the government to pass amended Road Traffic Act and with stiffer penalties.
And in the business day, Jamaica's net international reserves rose in March.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
Would you oppose the hiring of anyone by a government ministry, department or agency simply because they were related to the responsible minister?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and send us your tweets to @televisionjam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.